Hello guys, welcome back. So now is the time to implement the messages area. So this was our chat area. Okay, so we will go back to our home page and this is our messages area. Now copy paste this down here. The flex for this will be 10, and then right click on chat messages areas, new dot file. We will give it name as messages underscore area. Import, create a stateless widget, give it name as messages area. So now from here we can say, as you know, this is our messages area, so make sure to change this to messages area. Now to the messages area we have to pass the current user data, so by the same key name we have to receive here. So we can say final user model current user data. This dot current user data, and for now we will just display a container. And now let's specify the height quickly, the height and width. So whatever the width of the screen is, we will tag that, and whatever the height of the screen is, we will tag that height. Then comes the color for this. Color will be colors dot white, and now we can say child const, and at the center of the screen we will display a message. We will say choose a profile to see the messages. Now let's see how it looks. Instead of displaying this text title, you can display an image to make it more beautiful, and I will tell you guys how you can display an icon or an image instead of this text. Let's quickly log in. So you see we have this area, which is choose a profile to see the messages, which means that from the recent chats the user can choose any recent chat, or you can say any recent profile on which the user will click, then the user can start chatting. So you can say choose a chat to see the messages, or any message you want to display. Instead of this, you can also make it more beautiful. That is, instead of the text widget you can display an image by simply saying image.asset and then add the reference to that image. Make sure to remove this const from it. I have already provided this image. Okay, just download it and copy it. Once you download it, then inside your images you have to add that. If you have already added it, then it's okay. Otherwise you can add that image, which is basically this image. Okay, and what we need to do is we will simply access that images, that is from the images folder, that image name .png, so it will look more beautiful as compared to the text message. Okay, so once you do that, make sure to close the terminal and install the app, as we have added a new image file. So the app is running now, and now you can see that. So it looks more beautiful as compared to the title which we display using the text widget earlier. The image looks more beautiful, it looks more professional now. Now if you remember, I have told you guys, that is, now come back here to the home page. I told you guys that I will discuss this flex, that what is this. Now if I increase the flex size of this to, let's say, 10, and this to, let's say, decrease to 4, now you will see the changes, so then you will understand it easily. You see, this is basically the flex. This is the chat area, this is the messages area. So the flex is basically the area, or you can say our this chatting area takes more area now, that is 10, flex 10. You see that chat area is increased, it is 10 now. However, the messages area decreased to flex 4. So it simply means that how much you want the area horizontal wise. So for example, for this one we choose 4, and for this one we choose 10. So now if you see, okay, like this is our chat area, which looks beautiful, and this is our message area, which also looks beautiful. So if you want to increase further the chat area, then of course you can manage the values from here. You can make this 5 and make this 9. Okay, it is totally up to you, but 4 and 10 is okay, as in WhatsApp web it is, the UI is just like this. Okay, so flex for this 4 is good, and flex for this 10 is enough. This way the UI looks more professional and more beautiful. However, instead of this title recent chats, we can give it a simple title that will be only chats. Okay, this was just for the understanding earlier. Okay, that is, we will display the recent chats here, because one word title is, it looks good actually as compared to 2 words.